me. I can't do no fake bitches around me. Can't show my face. Can't show my face. With a bunch of sex. I can't do no fake niggas around me. I only want my real ones around me.
Each and every Saturday, 3 to 4 p.m. Weekly Trip right on DTF Radio, alright?
Alright. What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? You're tuned into the Weekly Drip each and every Saturday from 3 to 4 p.m. only on DTF Radio. I'm your host, Abella Ju.
Yours truly, Kingsley, I'm here.
And we got AZiA in the building.
Yeah.
Hi! What's good, everybody?
What's good? Wow, my cord is kind of okay. Alright, so let's get right into this interview. Once again, this is the Weekly Drip. DJ Kingsley started off, the vibes for us. Set the tone for the show today. Alright, so let's talk about Hustle in Brooklyn. What was the, message that you got, to be on the show? Did you get a DM like everybody else?
Yes.
Okay.
I got a DM. They hit me up on Instagram.
Did you think it was fake?
Great. And yeah, they was like, I think that you would be a good fit. Like, can I move or I shouldn't move?
You can, yeah.
So they told me to, they thought I would be good for the show.
Mm-hmm.
And then, watching different things that I do.
Mm-hmm.
Audition. And I was like, oh, what I got to do? Why not?
So how was it working with the cast and crew on the show?
Working with the cast and crew was cool. Like, I'm one of those people that I can work with anybody.
Mm-hmm.
Like, for real, I can work with you. I like you, don't like you. As long as there's no disrespect, I'm straight. Like, I'm very, very simple. I love the crew. I was shooting yesterday for a different show, and some of the production team was on that crew too, and they were like, AZiA. So they didn't know I was coming. The company who's actually producing the show, reached out to me, my homeboy, Dino, he reached out to me. He's like, I'm doing something, come link up. I'm like, all right, pull through. And then the casting director called me and was like, wait, is this AZiA? Like, AZiA? I'm like, yeah. She's like, oh my God, I'm so excited you're coming. The crew's excited. Everyone's like bucking out. And it's because I'm just so easy to work with. So like, when you're easy to work with on any set, that's advice for anybody. If the crew likes you, production likes you, we always got people rooting for you in your corner. So
that's what's up.
Yeah.
That's what's up. So how about
moms and everything.
The what?
I had TV moms and everything.
Moms. That's good. So the editing process, how do you when you finally watched it on TV? How did you what did you think about the editing of the show? Did they take some bits out and?
Yeah, they left some stuff out. But I also have a background in TV. My degrees in communication, so I know how TV works. Right, I know how TV works. I've taken editing classes.
You say you didn't go to college?
It's okay. But yeah, I took editing classes. So I know how that process works.
Yeah.
Whatever you give them, if you only give them certain types of things, then they have to edit what you give them.
Right.
So if you give them some crazy shit to edit, can I curse?
Yes.
If you give if you give them some crazy stuff to edit, then you might look crazy, but it's what you did.
Right.
So they get to spin the narrative. But I was cool with the edit. I mean, it was one episode where they made me look a little weak, but I wasn't mad at that because I know myself and I know what happened, and I know I wasn't bugging, so it was cool.
What scene was that, if you don't mind? If you remember.
The very last episode. It would be the very last episode, of course. But the scene with Eva, actually, that scene, where it was we were talking, and the conversation was way more fluid, but they cut parts out. So there's things that I might have said that she did respond to or didn't respond to, and things that she said that I did respond to or didn't respond to, and they cut it out to make it look like how they wanted to make it look. But it was cool. No love lost.
So can you tell us more details of the project you're working on?
Yeah, so I'm working on a lot of stuff actually. So this part I can't really tell you too much, but I'm working on, God willing, maybe I shouldn't say it because energy, people be evil.
Yes, definitely. That's true.
But Snapchat is working on something. That's what I just shot yesterday. They're working on a TV thing, kind of like Netflix originals. So there's this really cool what do we call them? Car dealers. These 3 black guys, super dope, real nice guys called PTG, I think 365. And they sell exotic cars, everyday
Oh,
cars.
actually, I've seen that before. Yeah.
Yeah, so they're working on like a show or whatever. And I did an episode with one of them, so that was cool. I'm working on new music. I'm working on the mixtape, a Brooklyn mixtape, drill music. So
Got
it's
some
going
of
to
that.
be back to. I mean, I've evolved from that type of sound, I would say, and not like drill sound because drill was kind of new for Brooklyn. But I mean, like talking about street stuff. Remember, that's like something I used to do like when I first started doing music. But it's kind of like I kind of want to bring back Mama Doc a little bit, I guess. So we'll do a mixtape. It's Mama Doc with DJ Reef. So DJ Reef is gonna host it. So I'm dropping it this month. Big Reef, big facts. You know, BK stand up. That's been like my bro from like long time. So we're gonna do that this month. I have my makeup line, Brownie's Couture.
Yes.
It's doing really good. I'm 2 months in.
That's what's up.
It's
Congrats.
going really good. I'm super excited about that. I just had someone just like order like $500 worth of product so I could like do a giveaway.
Oh wow.
So like yeah, shout out to shout out to the gang. So like I'm doing a couple different things. I'm working on producing. I'm working on more TV stuff. I really want to get into
Producing what,
acting.
music?
Producing music. I want to add an extra layer to my brand. I'm like
I'm
multifaceted.
literally
I'm just-
doing that right now.
that's how I am right now,
Just
too.
Yeah.
I already have four things on my plate.
Oh, that's fire.
I got
You know,
graphics, reviews, Belgian TV, weekly drip. That's 4.
That's lit. So like I produce visual content. Like my visual content, I do a lot of the producing for my own stuff. 'Cause I'm really, really picky, hands-on, and I know what I want to look like. But even as a kid, I used to like mess around in the studio with my dad and like play around with stuff. That's like a whole nother world though. But I want to start just adding different layers, like adding new things. Like it's so many people that kind of do the same thing right now, and it doesn't matter. It's room for everyone, but staying fresh and innovative and just like expressing yourself in all the ways that you can think of possible. So I'm excited. I'm excited for this year to end and this new one to come.
Yes, I think we all are ready for 2020 to come.
Well, I ain't rushing, but I'm rushing.
All right, so we just heard plates with snakes.
Facts.
So tell us about the video. How was it working with snakes? That's a big snake fan right there.
You like snakes?
I had nasty. I just got my snake stolen by the cops.
Oh
Took
yeah.
my
What's the
shit.
name? Sunshine.
How
Yeah,
did you see
Sunshine.
your snake?
They claimed it crawled out in the middle of the street early morning when I was inside, so they took it. It was in my garage. It had some big ass snake. Like,
It was
big
huge.
snake.
And we just got it
Wow.
at the reptile
It was
convention.
about like 9-foot snake.
Wow. And how did they just take it?
No, it crawled
I
out.
think one of my next door neighbors must have went in my garage playing around and opened up the cage or something like that because it wasn't there. The cage was open when I came to the backyard. And I found out 2 days later, make it even worse.
It was on the Citizen
Oh,
app.
sick.
That's how you know.
Yeah, it was on the Citizen. That's how I found
That was
out.
in Queens.
I was like, damn, somebody sent it to me. They was like, look at this shit. And I'm like, that's my snake. Shit going now. So
Did you cry?
I wanted to, but
I would cry.
I just smoked and looked at my feet for like a good hour. And
Yeah,
I
no, I
walked
would
off.
cry.
That was tight. I just got that snake too, probably like
What kind of, you just got an outfit snake.
We
yeah,
went to the
probably
reptile
like, I always
convention.
get like bigger snakes. I don't like getting little baby ones, but it takes a little too long to grow. So I get the big ones.
Why would you buy a big snake?
He likes big
They
snakes.
don't really bite. They're good pets.
No, you just have a good vibe.
Yeah,
It's
they're
not that they're good pets. They're people. Well,
One
they're not
with
like
the
people,
animals.
but you know they have their
Jungle
own
boy.
Yeah.
their own spirit.
We're gonna show you a picture after how big that snake
Yeah, I
is.
definitely want to see. But the video was fire though. Like first of all, I'm a spiritual person first always. So like my vibe is like very welcoming, warming, like around babies, animals, people. Like I'm just someone that energies gravitate to,
Yeah.
good and bad. So no, the snakes were amazing. Like
I'll be scared.
they were amazing.
I
They
never
were
really had a
so
problem
kind.
with none of my snakes. I had like over like 80 snakes. Never had not one problem. I only got bit by one because I reached in front of it while it was eating. And I kind of deserved it. So
Yeah, I agree. They were cool, man. I have one snake was my favorite, Pretty Boy, And he was turned up. He was dancing to the beat. He was moving to the beat in the video. Like, literally. Like,
Is that the yellow snake?
the yellow one.
Yeah, you can tell in the video. Like,
He
you're
was
moving and the snake is moving at the same time
to
as
the
you.
beat. Like it was like we were like in sync.
Sync.
Oh, he played on it too.
Yeah, and he peed on me.
Oh wow.
Yeah, he
They
peed on
be
me.
smell a little weird too. Like,
I don't want to ever experience that.
He did. I was like, did you just pee on me? It was like, oh, he got nervous. I was like, no, you just being a boy. Like, I'm not going nowhere, relax. But no, I was dope. I love the snakes. I can't wait to hang out with them again. And it was cool.
That's what's up.
Yeah, it was cool.
So you have a video. It's like I think 2 years. Pull up on ya.
Yes, pull up on you.
So I love that video because you really show your Haitian culture. I'm Haitian too. So
Ah,
you
like myself,
know.
Shelly.
Yes, you already know. So how was it like just shooting the video? Like I know you shot parts in Brooklyn and parts in Haiti. So
All right, so
shooting
boom,
in
what's
Haiti.
this, right? I remember I told you not direct. So I used stock footage.
Oh, you
So
did.
At that point, I never even had been to Haiti. I didn't go to Haiti until
I think it was
a year ago.
Yeah, because I remember
Yeah.
you went to Haiti with a group of women.
Yep, a group of women, a group of amazing, beautiful black women, entrepreneurs, mom as hell. But I didn't go to Haiti at that time. I've never been. It was
You
like
can never
this
tell.
taboo thing where like, you know, my family's like in politics and stuff and they're just like, no, can't go. And I was just like, come on, I want to go. And I finally went on my own.
Yeah.
But the video, it was so important for me for people to feel what I felt.
Right.
It wasn't about them like really liking the song or liking me. I just wanted them to see it and be like, damn, I want to be Haitian. Like, it's cool to
Yeah.
like be black. It's cool to like still appreciate your roots and like not shy away from your ancestral essence. Like, you know, it's a whole bunch of new religions, new everything
Right.
as time goes. Things evolve, things change.
Right.
But I just wanted to have something super nostalgic and super duper like in your face. Like, no, it's not black magic. Like, it's cool vibes. No vibes, period.
Yeah,
That's
I
it.
was like, oh, this is so dope. Like,
Yeah, no, I love that video. It's still my favorite. And the song is so like powerful. When I perform that song, I still get a crazy response. Like by the end of it, people were singing the
because I
song.
see you merged, what's his name, Azor, and I was like,
My dad did. My dad
Really?
produced that. Yeah.
That's dope. Because I heard the beginning, I was
oh, your
like,
dad made that song?
Yeah, my dad produced that song.
That's
Facts.
crazy.
yeah.
So my dad's a producer, bomb producer.
Yeah.
That's how I used to like be in the studio with him, like, you know, playing around and stuff. But I told him what I wanted it to feel like, and he brought the feeling
Really?
to life.
Yeah, because you play the beginning, and that's like the beginning of all those songs. And I'm like, wait, and then I'm listening. I'm like, yo, this is so dope. I could make a fire ass dance to this.
Right? You should make one. Send it to me, sis.
I haven't danced in so long, so I don't know. It's been a minute.
I love that song. I might
Don't
re-drop
hurt
it.
yourself.
I don't know. We might
Stop
not
it.
I love that song.
I got you. Fix on. All right.
Oh yeah, I see the Haitian chain.
Yeah, I got
Okay.
my chain on and everything too. Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah.
Oh, nah, trust me.
No, listen, I love my Haitian culture, okay?
You know.
I used to blast compa
You
every
really
day
know.
in my car.
Wow.
Until
You
came
have
into my
to.
life.
You should love it too.
Oh, no, I understand. Trust me. I
So,
understand.
we know, nigga. You need to
No.
be like, I know. We help a lot of people get free, okay? Everybody needs to love it. Don't get us started, exactly.
Two Haitians against a
I'm keep quiet today. I'm keep quiet.
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
Nigga, where do you think you got voodoo from?
Wow. That has nothing to do with it.
Wow.
Y'all took it to another level. We was just going.
What do you mean?
That's how you make a home. You give people ingredients and they, you know, evolve.
Listen, it's to the point where
Multiply.
I was going to dance school like back when I was like 5 years old, and we learned all the different Haitian folklore dances and the stories behind it.
Oh, that's dope.
So I know all that.
That's dope.
Yeah, but I got you with the dance video.
That,
Soon
yes,
come, soon
please
come.
do. People were sending me crazy videos of them like throwing knives at trees and all that.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a vibe.
It is. So, you got a chance to create costumes for the Mask and Bumble mask.
Yes, and
So
I'm
tell
creating
us
them again this
year.
year.
Well, next year.
Well, next year. Yeah, I didn't do it this year. That came up. I was a little tied up, but 2020 definitely fire costumes coming your way. Working on the song for it already, like all that.
So, how was it when you first got asked to do the costumes last year? Because I did it last year too, but we we didn't go down the Parkway last year.
Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, we didn't.
Yeah, we didn't.
This year they did.
Yeah, they did.
To be totally honest with you, it was a bomb experience. I'm one of those people that, like, if I put my mind to something and I want to try it, I'm gonna try. And if I fail, cool. If I succeed, most times I succeed because I'm not a person that gives up. But it was cool. I loved it. I loved creating the outfits. The only part I didn't like was production. And that was my lesson of what I learned. Like, all right, cool, I'll create all day, but I'm not doing production. Like, it gotta go somewhere else. I'm gonna pay somebody to do production because I can't. That was taking up a lot of my time. And that's like where I fell short. I definitely fell short during the production process. But I love creating the costumes. I love creating things like specifically for me that no one has seen.
Yeah.
I kind of do that with my clothes. Like, if I wish I could like make an outfit every day, because like I wouldn't wear it. But it was a bomb process. It was a great way to express myself with literally making something from nothing. I've never done that before. I actually took a wire bending class, so like I'm certified in wire bending. I could like bend for other people or in the world if I wanted to. And I never in my life took like wire and the pliers and like literally make something from like zip. The closest thing to that is going to the studio. Because the studio is empty when you go in, and when you leave, it's full.
Yeah.
And I got to do that with my hands. So that was good.
So you have to actually be certified in bending the wires and stuff, like for the wire bending?
Technically, so like the Wadaka or whatever. So like when you're certified for wire bending, you can do wire bending for like big companies because you're certified. Like people in the Olympics if they want it, or like huge costume designers. Like you can do stuff like that because there are more. There's different levels to it, so you can literally build out big costumes. You can just do bras if you want, corsets, headpieces. It's up to your imagination, whatever you want to do. Like I could make a computer if I wanted to, like you know, like you could literally do anything, and you could. That's just the first level of like saying, "Hey, this is what I do, and I can do it." And look, I like am certified. Yeah. So cool.
All right. So if you had advice for anybody who wanted to follow in your footsteps, what would you tell them?
First thing I would tell them is trust yourself before you trust anyone else.
Right.
And the second thing I would tell them is trust the process. I always think things are taking a longer period of time, but as I get through the process and I look back, I'm like, dang, that was not even that long. But 24 hours is feeling like a lifetime. Like my makeup line has only been out for 2 months, and I'm like, oh my God, why I'm not sold out yet? And it's like I'm doing really good, and I'm doing good.
That's good.
Take your time and trust yourself first. That gut feeling, trust that.
Yes. So where do you see yourself in 5 years? 5 years from now?
5 years from now, I see myself multi-million-dollar lady. One. I see myself with probably triple the amount of businesses that I have now. Successful ones. Because technically it takes 5 years to have a successful business, so they'd be successful. I see myself definitely on the billboard more than one time. I see myself with some awards under my belt. I see myself married. Maybe I'll have one kid. Shout out to Manolo Rose. His birthday was passed. His birthday just made me think of him. I definitely see myself acting, like ridiculously acting. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have way more goals by then, because this is now, and I just gave you like a lot. Definitely festivals. I definitely want to turn into a festival girl. And yeah, just being fat.
That's what's up. All right, so let's see. What do you wish to accomplish for the rest of 2019? I think you kind of said it, but
I'll tell you, I want to be sold out of my brownies tutorial, so make sure y'all shop brownies.com. I want that to be sold out by the end of 2019.
What's that right there?
her makeup line.
My makeup line, yeah. So, my makeup line is multi-purposeful. It's good for your lips and your lids. It's favorable for women of color because we don't really have nude shades, but it's good for all women. So it looks like really pretty browns, fall shades, stuff like that. Scented, vegan.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it out.
Facts. It's scented, vegan, cruelty-free, like very karma conscious. So I want to be sold out. That's like my main goal for 2019. I also want to drop this mixtape and flood the streets trying to hit like 1 million spins on that thing, and yeah, run up a check. Facts.
Any shows coming up we would find you?
Yeah.
Yes.
I was
So-
just about you took the words out.
Yes. So I'm actually planning a show when I drop my original project, because this is gonna be a mixtape, so it's gonna be like like me doing other people's music when I'm gonna drop this month. I'm gonna be dropping an original project first quarter, which will be in January or February, and I'm gonna plan a show around that. So y'all have to come. I'll make sure I sit down with y'all.
Yeah.
We will.
Make sure y'all in the building. Maybe we can do a live stream or something like that. But I want to plan a show. I haven't done like a big show in New York
Playing something.
in a while. I'm like always traveling, going everywhere else. I have a show coming up with B&B Rock this next week. Actually, I'll be in Virginia at the end of the month, Connecticut in December. Just moving around. I'm going to Dubai. If anybody wants to come to Dubai with me,
Oh yeah, you're gonna Dubai. I said I'm gonna
Being
go
a
to
DJ,
Dubai.
yeah, right.
I want to
Yeah,
go
you
to
gotta
Dubai.
come, yo.
I want to go to Dubai. I was just looking at that thing.
And the deposits are only $100, and you can like literally pay as you
You
go.
go.
Like
It's like
every
only
week.
next year.
Right. And then I got connected with a flight person, so y'all know. But yeah, Dubai. I'm going to Dubai. I'm going to Trinidad for Carnival, playing with Paparazzi Mask. My costume is fire. Can't wait for
Okay, I saw
that.
that too.
So like, it's just time to take things to a whole nother level,
Yes, it is.
and like, you go through periods where you're taking steps and you're like adjusting to like what's next. And I've just been like working, my head down, constantly working, making sure I'm staying relevant in any capacity. But now I'm about to like turn it up a couple notches.
And it's so like, it's like a lot of artists, it's hard for me to find like their music. I found your music like really, really fast. Like, it was just songs just popping up on something.
Yeah, once you Google your name, it all comes up. It's like Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, everything.
Thank you, Jesus. But yeah, I do a lot of studying. So like I said, I wish I had 10 of me, but I do a lot of studying. I do a lot of research.
Yes.
Like literally advertising, marketing. I do a lot of that stuff by myself just because I want to know. So people can't really get over on me and say like, oh, I don't know, it's not working. It's like, no, I know how to do it myself. If I know how to do it, you don't, you gotta go. 'Cause I know how to do it. So that's kind of my mentality for a lot of things. But yeah, I just want to kill. And people can find me on Instagram.
Yes.
We'll find you on Instagram.
AZiA.IAM. My website is IamAZiA.com. Check out my makeup, browniescouture.com, Instagram, Facebook, AZiA.IAM, YouTube, AZiA.IAM. Literally, you can just Google AZiA.IAM and I'm going to pop up. Or you can just look up AZiA Hustle in Brooklyn and I'll pop up too. So, yeah, that's me.
Go on website, cop something.
Yes. So I want to thank you for coming to the show.
Thank you for having me. Next time I come, I'll bring some gifts for y'all.
Yeah.
Facts.
Love gifts.
Facts. I'm dropping this tape. It's gonna be fire. And look, come around that time. But then when I do my new project with all original music, I got a dope ass feature. I got a feature with Tory Lanez. I'm finally about to drop.
Okay.
I've been holding on to it for a little while. I'm working on some other features with some dope artists. So it's about to be crazy.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
That's what's up. Keep shining.
Thank you. You keep shining too.
Yes, Haitians for life. All right. That was the Weekly Drip NYC. Stay tuned same time next week, 3 to 4 p.m. only on DTF Radio.
On that DTF.
Yes. Bellevue TV, DJ Kingsley. We out.
I'm going to get into one last
One last one? I bet.